Hello friends, welcome to Bola English. We know that a pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. There are 8 types of pronouns. They are personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns, relative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. In this lesson, we are going to learn about personal pronouns. See these sentences. I am tall. You are young. He is brave. She is clever. We are friends. They are relatives and it is huge. In these sentences, I, you, he, she, we, they and it are called personal pronouns. They stand for 3 persons. The person who is speaking, that is I and we. The person we are speaking to, that is you. And the person who is spoken of, that is he, she, it and they. Now let me explain. See this sentence. I will give you the book when she comes home. Who is speaking? I. So I is the personal pronoun of the first person. To whom am I speaking? I am speaking to you because I said I will give you the book. So you is the personal pronoun of the second person. And about whom am I speaking? I am speaking about a girl because I said I will give you the book when she comes home. So she is the personal pronoun of the third person. The pronoun I stands for the person who is speaking and we stands for the persons who are speaking. They are known as the personal pronouns of the first person. The pronoun you stands for the person or persons who are spoken to, that is, the person or persons we are speaking to. It is called personal pronoun of the second person. You is used in singular as well as plural. The pronouns he, she, it and they are the pronouns who are spoken of or the pronouns we speak about. So they are known as the personal pronouns of the third person. Pronouns I, you, he, she and it refer to one person. They are singular personal pronouns. And pronouns we, you and they are plural personal pronouns. They refer to more than one person. Now see this sentence. I am a girl. If we ask a question, who is a girl? We will get the answer I. I am a girl. So the pronoun I is the subject of the verb am. I is said to be in the nominative form. Similarly, in the sentence we are friends, the pronoun we is the subject of the verb are. So we is said to be in the nominative form. Thus we can say that when the pronoun is the subject of a verb in a sentence, it is in the nominative form. This is my pen. If we ask a question, whose pen is this? We get the answer my pen. In other words, my tells us possession. It tells us that the pen belongs to me. The pronoun my is said to be in the possessive form. Instead of saying this is my pen, we can also say this pen is mine. In this case, the pronoun mine also tells us that the pen belongs to me. So mine is also in the possessive form. Thus, pronouns my and mine are said to be in the possessive form. In the sentence, they are our books. Whose books are they? Our books. Our shows possession. It shows that the books belong to us. Now see the sentence, that car is ours. Whose is that car? It is ours. Ours shows that the car belongs to us. It shows possession. The pronouns our and ours are said to be in the possessive form. In the sentence, she taught me or she taught us. Whom did she teach? She taught me or us. Me or us are the objects of the verb taught. So the pronouns me and us are said to be in the accusative form. Thus we can conclude that I is the first person singular nominative form of the personal pronoun. My and mine are the first person singular possessive forms of the personal pronouns, and me is the first person singular accusative form of personal pronoun. We is the first person plural nominative form of personal pronoun. Our and ours are the first person plural possessive forms of personal pronouns, and us is the first person plural accusative form of personal pronoun. Now let us look at you, the personal pronoun of the second person. In the sentence, you are my best friend, the pronoun you is the subject of the verb are in the sentence. So pronoun you is said to be in the nominative form. In the sentence, this is your book or this book is yours. Your and yours show possession. So pronouns your and yours are said to be in the possessive form. In the sentence, I messaged you, you is the object of the verb messaged in the sentence. So you is said to be in the accusative form. You is used in singular as well as plural. Thus we now know that you is the second person singular and plural nominative form of the personal pronoun. Your and yours are the second person singular and plural possessive forms of the personal pronoun, and you is the second person singular as well as plural accusative form of the personal pronoun. Now let us consider the personal pronouns of the third person, that is he, she, it and they. He is a student. He is the subject of the verb is. She is a teacher. She is the subject of the verb is. And it is a doll. It is the subject of the verb is. So he, she and it are said to be in the nominative form. They are children. They is the subject of the verb are. So they is said to be in the nominative form. This is her book or this book is hers. That is his t-shirt. I know its address. It is their car or the car is theirs. In these sentences, the pronouns her, hers, his and its show possession. So they are said to be in the possessive form. In the same way, their or theirs also show possession. So their and theirs are also said to be in the possessive form. I taught him or her. Him or her is the object of the verb taught. I saw it. It is the object of the verb saw. I invited them. Them is the object of the verb invited. In all these sentences, him, her, it and them are said to be in the accusative form. So these are all the forms of the pronouns of the third person. He, she and it are the third person singular nominative forms of personal pronouns. His, her, hers and its are the third person singular possessive forms of personal pronouns, and him, her and it are the third person singular accusative forms of personal pronouns. They is the third person plural nominative form of personal pronoun. Their and theirs are the third person plural possessive forms of personal pronouns, and them is the third person plural accusative form of personal pronoun. We have learnt about different forms of personal pronouns in detail. In the coming lesson, we will learn the remaining kinds of pronouns. Stay tuned. Goodbye.